Hello and welcome back to LibreCAD tutorial channel. Today I want to draw a electrical logo. I think it is a power logo or a storm. Okay, please activate some snap functions on your LibreCAD application. There are free snap on endpoints, snap center, snap middle, and snap intersection. Okay, select circle center point. Okay, left click to put the circle into our drawing screen, and then type the radius. The first radius is 84 divided by 2 because 84 is a diameter, so the radius is a half of 84 divided by 2, and press enter. Okay, the next circle is diameter is 71. Left click at the center of our circle we have created before, and type in the command line box 71 divided by 2. Press enter. Right click. Okay, and then select vertical line. Select vertical and type the length for vertical 3. Select snap point start, middle points 1, left click at the center of our circle, and then 12. Select the vertical line, type the length 12, select snap point start. Okay, left click at the end of our vertical line we have created before. Right click to escape. Next, select vertical again, type the length 35, snap point start, left click to put the line, right click to escape. Now to the left, yes, to the left. Okay, first is select horizontal, type the length, first is 3, snap point end, put the line into the position like this. Right click to escape. Select again horizontal, type the length 14, select snap point end, and left click to put the line. Yes. Right click to escape. And now okay, select horizontal and type 3 for the length. Select snap point end, left click to put okay. Right click to escape. Yeah, we have this position for now. Select 2 points line, we will draw the line manually. Left click, and right click to escape. Okay, select again horizontal and draw this horizontal line. So type the length 20. Select snap point start, left click, right click there. And then I think we will create this part. It is a angel line. We will use relative angle. Select relative angle line tool and type the angle 67 and type the length 100. Okay, middle points 1. Left click at the horizontal line and left click to put the line to the position like this. Right click to escape. Right click again. Okay, this distance is 12. 12. Okay, select horizontal and type the length 100, snap point middle, left click at the line 12 line. Okay. 12 from the point, from this point 12. Yes. And next we got the point. Select trim to, left click, okay, left click, yes. Right click to escape. Okay, now okay, select horizontal type the length 6.5, select start snap point, left click to put the line, select vertical and type the length 100, select snap point and put this line into the position like this. Okay, we got this point. Okay, select trim, left click at the line we want to trim. Okay, right click to escape. I think we should delete these two lines. This line also. Yeah. Okay, next I want to create this line. Okay, select relative angle and type the angle 55. Type the line 100, middle points 1, left click at the horizontal line, left click to put the line to the position. Okay, right click to escape, right click again. Now select trim to, left click, okay, right click to escape. Okay, the next, okay, the next, okay, select a vertical line, type the length 100, select snap point N, and left click at this position. We will take this distance 100. Okay, right click to escape, select horizontal line, type the 100 and select snap point N, left click. Okay, you get the point at the intersect of the two lines. Okay, next. Okay, and then select relative angle, type the angle is 14. Could you see the 14, and type the length 100, left click at the line and left click to put the line into the point. Okay, right click to escape. Okay, right click again. Okay, no, we can delete. Oh yes, we can delete this line. And then select trim to, left click. Okay, left click. Yeah. Right click again to escape and select two lines there and press delete. Okay, time to use divide tool. Okay, select divide. Oh no divide. Okay, use parallel line, and we got the distance 5.5. Type the distance 5.5, left click near the line, right click to escape. Now use divide tool, select divide, left click at the circle, left click at the point, left click again at the circle, left click at the point, left click at the circle, left click at the point. Okay, okay, we can delete the unnecessary part. Oh yeah. Select trim tool. Okay, left click to create a cutter line, select the line you want to trim, right click and then select again the cutter line. Okay, and left click at the line you want to trim, right click to escape, right click again. Now use parallel line tool, select parallel and type the distance is 5, left click near the line, left click near the line. Okay, select divide tool, left click at the circle, left click again at the circle, left click at the circle, left click again at the circle, left click at the point, right click to escape. Now we can delete unnecessary part. Okay, select trim tool, left click at the circle and left click at the line to trim, right click and then left click again at the circle as a cutter line, and then left click at the line you want to trim, right click, left click again at the circle, left click at the line, right click to escape, left click at the circle to choose the circle as a cutter line or trim line, and then left click at the line you want to trim. Okay, right click to escape. Oh, I'm sorry. Select again trim tool, left click at the circle as a cutter or trim line, and then left click at the line we want to trim. Right click to escape, right click again. Okay, I think it is almost done. Time to give dimension for our drawing. Give dimension by create a single layer for dimension, special for dimension only. Click this button at layer and type the name for dimension. Select color, maybe blue. Select width 0.3. Select line type, select .t, click OK. Now we'll give horizontal dimension for the first. Select horizontal and select this one into this one. Okay, we get 14. Yes, 3. Next, yes, 20. Okay, next, yes, 6.5. Okay. Okay, now select vertical. We will give vertical dimension. Select. Okay. Left click again. Yes, 35. Left click and left click at the center of our circle. Oh, not the center of our circle. Select vertical, select this point and select the center of our drawing. Yes, 12. Select this and then select the center of our circle. Yes, 3. Next, okay, 100. Right click to escape. Now give dimension for angular. Select angular and left click. Okay, left click. Okay, left click. Yes, right click to escape. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please support us with click the subscribe button and you subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for your attention. See you in next video in LibreCAD tutorial channel. Bye.